I think it's normal to feel like the thing that you've lost won't come back, or the thing that you've lost, it's irreplaceable. And in my eyes, I just feel like that every time we lose, or every time something is taken out of our life by the grace of God, of course, it will be replaced by something better. It will be replaced by something that will give you more value. And that's really what my message is about today. When I look into the clouds, I think about how none of them are really permanent. Every cloud will move. Every cloud will disappear. Even the sun, when the sun leaves, it's getting replaced by the moon. But at the end of the day, the sun still shows up again. So you need to apply this to yourself. Especially if you're struggling with feeling like that thing that you lost won't come back to you. You have to show up each and every single day like the sun, like the moon. And even like the moon still shows up even if it's half full, even if it has just a fourth of its body that day, it still shows up. So what can you do for yourself? And a lot of times we feel so bound and tied to the thing that we've lost that we idolize it and we make it our own personality. But I feel that's why you lost it in the first place. I feel when we put things on a pedestal, when we expect ourselves to always receive that thing, and we expect ourselves to always be in control of something, we lose it. But at the end of the day, nothing is really yours. But that's the beauty about losing something. Because when you lose it, when you lose something, it makes you want to get something else, right? But it's not about getting something to make you forget about the other thing. It's about appreciating what you have. Like, there's a reason why you lost that thing. There's a reason why this thing was taken out of your life. I can't tell you why. I can't tell you how you're going to get that thing back. I don't know. I don't have that answer for you. But what I do have the answer for is how you treat yourself and how you go about things is up to you. You know, you're not in control of what happens. You're not in control of why that thing left you. But you are in control of how you show up each and every single day. And I was talking to somebody in the gym yesterday. And I can't remember exactly for some reason, but it was on the lines of, you know, when you have a minor setback, it's preparing you for the bigger comeback. You know, every time that you're set back, every time that you feel like you lost something, it's preparing you for something greater. You know, your breakthrough is coming through. As long as you keep going, as long as you keep striving to be the best version of yourself, and you keep praying and you keep trusting in God, the things that you lost are irreplaceable. You have to understand that everything on this earth, all the materialistic things, all the people that come into your life, they're all either replaceable or they all will perish one day. They all will disappear one day. So I think it's better to stop having so much attachment to such thing. Stop having so much attachment to the things that can go away someday. Not to say that if you have something that you love that thing. Not to say that if you care about something, don't care about it. Of course, love your clothes, love your hair, take care of your hair. But when these people or these things, one day they get up and leave, and one day they don't choose you anymore, it's time for you to choose yourself and understand that blessings are on your way. Blessings can all come your way at any time, at any place. As long, oh my gosh, it came back. I remember. As long as you are able to be in the mode of receiving, then you can be receiving of the gift. Just like if you look for God, then God will find you. But if you don't look for God, then He won't find you. If you don't look for good things, then good things won't necessarily find you. Even though the good things are just within our mind. Can you see the green? Can you see the green when the grass is green? You know what I'm trying to say? Can you see the flowers when they're blooming? Or do you just see Do you just see your negative thoughts when you look outside? Can you be present? Can you understand that there's blessings everywhere? Each breath that we take in and each exhale are gifts. They're all gifts. Every inhale that we take is a gift that other people and other things are giving to us. And they're replaced by more breaths, but we all breathe the same air. We all exhale the same air. It's nothing different. So if you're in this period of time where you feel like you just keep losing and losing and losing, and more specifically, if you're losing people, if you're losing friends, if you're losing even possessions of yours, understand that nothing is really lost. Nothing is lost. What you lost was a feeling, an attachment, a connection. And a connection is just something that's within your mind, and you could take it a step further. A connection is something that you have tied your body to. But that can all be replaced by something. A lot of people feel like they can't love if they don't have their person, or they feel like they can't experience something without the person that they love. But at the end of the day, that's a feeling. You can create a beautiful experience with your friends. You can create a beautiful experience with new people, in a new place, in a new environment, and new things to come. But you have to start taking minor steps and baby steps to just bettering yourself, bro. Everything that you lose can be replaced with something better. But it's not about focusing on how you can forget about that thing. It's not about forgetting, bro. It's not about forgetting. Because you can lose something, but you still can appreciate everything that you've had. And we could take it a step further. You know what I'm saying? When we lose people, pets, they hurt us. It hurts. But at the end of the day, you can just try to seek the positive in that thing. I say try because it's wrong for me to say think positive, but it's not really like that. You can't just naturally think something in a positive way, but you can transform it into a positive way. You know what I'm saying? Every experience that you take in, I guess I can say, is up to you to perceive it in a different way. So whatever you're going through, if you feel lost, if you feel like nothing's going your way, if you feel like you can't, like I said, nothing's going your way, just understand that everything that you've lost can be replaced by something good. I love you dearly. Have a blessed one.